Good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make a quick, easy, and delicious banana bread. To get started, I have some all-purpose flour, and I'll be using this granola mixture. It's like a blend of banana chips, walnuts, almond nuts, oats, and all that good stuff. Now, if you can't find this, you could simply just use walnuts or almond nuts, whatever you prefer. You could also omit the nuts if you don't like nuts. I also have some eggs, granulated sugar, some banana extract, buttermilk. I'll be using some melted butter as well as salt, baking powder, and 3 bananas. Let's jump into the recipe. So to get started, you want to combine all of your dry ingredients. We'll add the flour, salt, and baking powder. We'll mix to combine and set aside. Next, you want to mash your bananas to your desired texture. If you like it chunky, do that. If you like it smooth, go ahead. I like it right in the middle. So I'll mash the bananas and then we'll move on with the next step. Now let's go ahead and combine all of our wet ingredients, starting with the sugar. Then we'll add everything else. Once all of the wet ingredients are nicely combined, we'll go ahead and add our dry to the wet, and we will fold it in gently. Now please remember that all the correct measurements and ingredients will be listed down below, so don't you worry. So the last step, you want to add your granola mixture here. Now I did run this through my food processor first, so it could become a bit more fine before adding it. So bear that in mind. So today I'll be using this baking pan here, which I did spray with some oil first, and now I will add the batter to the pan. Please remember you could use any kind of pan that you like or you have on hand. Once the batter is added, we will tap it on the counter so that we can remove all the air bubbles. Then we'll place it into a 350-degree oven for about, let's say, 30 to 45 minutes, or at least until you stick a toothpick or a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean. After about 45 minutes, this is how the bread is looking. It smells absolutely amazing. Now I will transfer it onto a cooling rack and allow it to cool down before we place a nice glaze over top. My family and I, we love a glaze. So this might be a bit different, but we're placing a glaze over top of this bread. So to make the glaze, very simple. Powdered sugar, milk, and some banana extract. Now you don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is just what I prefer to do. I like the glaze on the banana bread, so yeah, it's my thing. So I'll pour the milk a little at a time until it reaches my desired, doneness. Like however runny or thick you want your glaze, you pour the milk a little at a time, and when it reaches that texture, then you stop. It's very, very simple. And then in between that, you can add the banana extract. Now if you don't have banana extract, feel free to use vanilla. Just use whatever you have, guys. Improvise. Once the bread is cooled, you want to go in with that glaze, drizzle it all over top, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then we'll top it off with some of that granola for presentation purposes, and yeah, that's it. And here you have it. This is how I make the most delicious, moist and amazing banana bread. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. I could not get enough of it. It was nice and crispy on the outside, and then when you bite into it, it was so moist on the inside. I really enjoyed it. I had it with coffee, then I had it with some tea. I also had it with a cup of juice, and I couldn't get enough. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit me up in the comments and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!